The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, Part 1 Vision, Chapter 3 Learn. As an entrepreneur, nothing plagued me more than the question of whether my company was making progress towards creating a successful business. As an engineer and later as a manager, I was accustomed to measuring progress by making sure our work proceeded according to plan, was high quality, and cost about what we had projected. After many years as an entrepreneur, I started to worry about measuring progress in this way. What if we found ourselves building something that nobody wanted? In that case, what did it matter if we did it on time and on budget? When I went home at the end of day's work, the only thing I knew for sure were that I had kept people busy and spent the money that day. I hoped that my team's effort took us closer to our goals if we wound up taking the wrong turn. I'd have to take comfort in the fact that at least we'd learned something important. Unfortunately, learning is the oldest excuse in the book for a failure of execution. It's what managers fall back on when they fail to achieve the result we promised. Entrepreneurs under pressure to succeed are wildly creative when it comes to demonstrating what we have learned. We can all tell a good story when our job, career, and reputation depends on it. However, learning is a cold comfort to employees who are following an entrepreneur into the unknown. It is cold comfort to the investors who allocated precious money, time, and energy to entrepreneurial teams. It is cold comfort to the organizations, large and small, that depend on entrepreneurial innovations to survive. You can't take learning to the bank. You can't spend it or invest it. You cannot give it to customers and cannot return it to limited partners. Is it any wonder that learning has a bad name in entrepreneurship and managerial circles? Yet, if the fundamental goal of entrepreneurship is to engage in organization building under conditions of extreme uncertainty, its most vital function is learning. We must learn the truth about which elements of our strategy are working to realize our vision and which are just crazy. We must learn what customers really want, not what they say they want or what we think they want. We must discover whether we are on the path that will lead to growing a sustainable business. In the lean startup model, we are rehabilitating learning with a concept I call validated learning. Validated learning is not after the fact rationalization or a good story designed to hide failure. It is a rigorous method of demonstrating progress when one is embedded in the soil of extreme uncertainty in which startups grow. Validated learning is a process of demonstrating empirically that a team has discovered valuable truths about a startup's present and future business prospects. It is more concrete, more accurate, and faster than market forecasting or classical business planning. It is a principal antidote to the lethal problem of achieving failure, successfully executing a plan that leads nowhere. Thank you for listening to this Lean Startup. I will continue to read tomorrow.